Very nice day. It's about to start Beinn Sgulaird from Glen Etive. That's us climbing. So Steve Fallon mentioned plantation as part of the route. Well, got a mile of this to go. Oh god! So we're currently on bog stepping stones. How are you finding this, Anil? Yeah. Thanks, Steve Fallon, for guiding us on this fantastic journey to Beinn Sgulaird. Appreciate it. Yep. So we were just saying that us Scottish people, I mean, taking this route saved me 3 hours of driving and Anil 2 hours, so, you know, we like adding an extra mile of bog on just to make things a bit more interesting, don't we? The end is nigh. We've got to come back along this again. That's our mountain. Oh, pathless till we get to it. So as we were passing through this tremendous pathless bogginess, we were watching the summit in the distance, which didn't seem to be getting closer the further we got. So it was a bit sluggish, but it was amazing not to meet any people on the way. It was a really good day. We've just learned to kind of come to terms with the fact that the whole route is boggy. Even the hill itself, probably the top of it, is boggy. I think there's a pool down there. If you're doing this, linking up with Beinn Sgulaird and the other one, you would, it's behind there, you come all pathless up and over this, and then it's tough, 19 mile day, so kind of glad I chose to do this as a 2 in a 1. Straight up. It's a bit cool. Walking along the rock. We've come a long way from through that forest bog, which we showed you earlier. All pathless. We're having a little break now, and then we're going to bang on up to the summit. Stick the drone up again. So that's just down the left of that, and then up, say another 25 minutes. There's the views. Up the ridge now. Doing well. Up a slight gully and then we're there. It's I don't know. What a view. And last climb, we're almost there. The moon up in the sky.
I thought you get some nice photos. Must be.
Yes. And the ridge. Wow. That must be the summit there. Guys that like summit camping, Beinn Sgulaird has options available. That was my plan. I'm glad I didn't stick to the 19 mile 3 Monroe summit camp plan of doing this one and the other two, because it would have been brutal. But yeah. Okay, summit 339. What's yours?
167.
167. Beinn Sgulaird. Beautiful. Hey! Winter pitch there. Terrible mountain otherwise, but pitch right there, you know. It's Beinn Nevis at its best with a slight inversion. Just ran down that. Had a nice little sit down. Meal. It's quite cool. Don't really care anymore. So that's us finishing in good time for the bog, not to do it in the dark. Bye!
Well done.
Good job, good job, good job. Beautiful.